Hello children, I am Vidula teacher. Do you remember me? I am sure some of you know me. When you were in junior KG class, I was your teacher. And today, I am taking your class through this video. I am going to teach you a lesson from your value education book. Lesson number 11, Be a Good Child. But before that, I would like to give you one situation. And I want your opinion on it. See, if your cousin comes to stay with you, he's very naughty. He likes to break things and tear books. What will you do? What will be your action? There are two options. Okay. First is you will join him and you will be also naughty like him. Or option number two, you will explain to him that it is bad manners to behave like this. If you will ask me, my answer will be I will never join him. In fact, I will explain to him that everything has some value. Our parents work hard to give us good education. So, children, remember, you should not have any kind of bad behavior. Okay? So, you should take care of this thing. Now, I will narrate a story about a naughty monkey to know how he learns to behave himself. The name of the story is Dodo, the Naughty Monkey. Dodo lived with his mother in the monkey colony. He was very naughty. He troubled all his neighbors. Every day they came and complained to his mother. Dodo's mother, Dodo broke our chair today. Dodo's mother, Dodo came to my kitchen and ate all the food. Dodo's mother, Dodo threw my clothes in the neighbor's house. Dodo's mother scolded him, but he did not listen to her. One afternoon, Dodo went to his neighbor's garden. There were many mangoes hanging from a tree. He was very happy. He ate many of them. When he was full, he peeled the rest and threw them all over the garden. He really enjoyed doing this. So he went to many other houses and did the same. In the evening, the neighbors saw their gardens. They were very angry. They came to Dodo's house. They said to his mother, Dodo's mother, we are very fed up of Dodo. If he doesn't change, you will have to leave this colony and go somewhere else. Dodo's mother said sorry to them and started weeping. Dodo felt very bad when he saw her crying. Dodo's mother was crying because of him. He said, Mummy, I'm very sorry. I will never be naughty again. Please, Mamma, don't cry. He also said sorry to all his neighbors. From that day, Dodo became a good monkey. His mother and the neighbors were very happy with him now. See, children, everyone will love you if you are well behaved. In this story, first Dodo was troubling all his neighbors, and because of his bad behavior, his neighbors asked his mother to leave the colony. This thing made his mother to cry. So, as a child, it is your responsibility to make your parents feel proud by your good behavior. Okay, children? Now, it is question time. I will ask you questions and you will give me answers, yes or no. First question is, Dodo was very naughty. Yes, he was very naughty. Second question, his neighbors liked him a lot. And answer is no. Dodo troubled all his neighbors. They did not like him. Third question, he always listened to his mother. And the answer is no. He did not listen to her. Question number 4. The neighbors told his mother to leave the colony if Dodo did not change. Yes. When the neighbors saw their gardens, they were very angry and they asked to his mother to leave the colony. Question number 5. Dodo loved his mother. He could not see her crying. And the answer is yes. Dodo loved his mother very much, so he could not see her crying. Question number 6. He never became a good monkey. And the answer is no. When he saw his mother crying, he felt very bad and then he became a good monkey. It is time to think. Tell me, children, why people do not like naughty children? See, nobody likes naughty children. Those that shout loudly, throw things, tear books, and cry without any reason. Even their parents also feel bad when people come and complain about them. So, children, behave properly and make your parents feel proud. Now, open page number 47. It is your time. Mark a cross on the things that you don't like to do. Complete this work. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much, children, and have a great day ahead.